Well, I'm about to roll out of here. I'm nearly half asleep because I overindulge. So there's that like overindulge bit, and then there's this overindulge. The manaakitanga has been beautiful. Oh yeah, okay, go on then with yourself. The food has been exceptional. Your mama is just, you know how much I love her anyway, but it's just been beautiful. We're in a great location. You have thought of everything. You have delivered on everything that would make the experience enjoyable when you're learning something that's fairly heavy or can feel heavy, but actually we're going to all walk out here. I'm going to walk out of here heavy, not that way, because I ate so much. It was awesome. Thank you, Brev.